Okay, this tutorial covers how to switch SIM card from Android to iPhone. Beyond that, we also talk about some tips to copy contacts to your new iPhone and transfer an eSIM card with the increasing adoption of eSIM technology. Part 2. Preparations before switching SIM card from Android to iPhone. Check SIM size, confirm iPhone compatibility, backup Android, disable massage, activate iPhone with service provider. Part 3. How to switch SIM card from Android to iPhone easily. Export selected contacts from Android, remove SIM, insert in iPhone. Go to iPhone settings contacts, import SIM contacts to populate the new contacts list. Part 4. How to transfer SIM card contacts from Android to iPhone in a single tap. To make data migration a breeze, try Mobican Transfer for Mobile Win and Mac, a popular and reliable mobile phone transfer assistant. Easy steps for switching SIM card contacts from Android to iPhone via Mobican Transfer for Mobile. Step 1. Install and launch the data transfer program. Step 2. Verify the positions of both phones. Step 3. Start to switch SIM contacts from Android to iPhone. Part 5. How to transfer SIM contacts from Android to iPhone via import or export option. Open Android contacts. Tap 3 dots. Select Import Export. Export as VECF. Transfer via email, cloud, or Bluetooth to iPhone. Open File. Add contacts using Contacts app. Part 6. How to move eSIM card from Android to iPhone by Carrier's app. Swipe up from Welcome screen. Set up iPhone until Set up Cellular. Choose Set up Later in Settings. Complete setup. Go to App Store. Download Carrier's app. Follow instructions to set up or transfer eSIM from Android.